Hi friends, welcome to this crash course on probability and statistics. In just 30 minutes, you will learn the complete basics, everything from probability rules to distributions, and from statistics basics to hypothesis testing. Whether you're a student, preparing for competitive exams, or starting a career in data science, AI, or machine learning, this video will give you a strong foundation. 1. What is probability and statistics? 2. Basic terminology. 3. Probability rules. 4. Conditional probability and Bayes' theorem. 5. Random variables and distributions. 6. What is statistics? 7. Descriptive statistics mean, median, mode, variance, SD. 8. Correlation and regression. 9. Inferential statistics sampling and hypothesis testing. 10. Applications in real life. So let's begin our journey into probability and statistics.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1. What is probability and statistics? To min, probability, the likelihood of an event happening. Example, toss a coin, probability of head equals 1/2. Statistics deals with data, how to collect, organize, analyze, and draw conclusions. Example, a teacher analyzing the average marks of students. Applications, weather prediction, business forecasting, sports and gaming, data science, AI and machine learning. 2. Basic terminology to minutes, experiment, any action with uncertain outcomes. Example, tossing a coin. Sample space is all possible outcomes. Coin toss S equals head, tail. Event, a subset of sample space. Getting a head is an event. Types of events, mutually exclusive, can't happen together. Head and tail, independent, one does not affect the other. Coin toss and dice roll, exhaustive, all possible outcomes. 3. Probability rules. 3 minutes. Formula, P equals number of favorable outcomes / total outcomes. Example, rolling a dice, probability of getting 4 equals 1/6. Addition rule, if events A and B are disjoint, PA or B equals PA plus PB. Multiplication rule, if A and B are independent, PA and B equals PA times PB. Complement rule, P naught equals 1 PA. 4. Conditional probability and Bayes' theorem. 3 minutes. Conditional probability, P of B equals probability of a given that B already happened. Formula, P of B equals P of B PB. Example, probability that a student passed math given they passed science. Bayes' theorem, used to update probability based on new information. Formula, P of B equals PB at times P of PB. Real-life uses, spam detection in email. Medical test accuracy, machine learning predictions. 5. Random variables and distributions for minutes. Random variable assigns numerical values to outcomes. Example, toss a coin, head equals 1, tail equals 0. Types, discrete countable dice roll, coin toss. Continuous measured height, weight, time. Important distributions, binomial distribution, success, failure experiments. Example, toss a coin 10 times, probability of 6 heads. Poisson distribution, rare events. Example, number of accidents in a city per day. Normal distribution, bell curve, natural data like height, exam marks. 6. What is statistics? 2 minutes. Descriptive statistics summarize data, mean, charts, tables. Inferential statistics make predictions using sample data. Example, a survey of 100 people used to predict behavior of 1 million people. 7. Descriptive statistics for minutes. Measures of central tendency, mean, average, sum divided by number of items. Median, middle value, mode, most frequent value. Example, marks 10, 20, 30, 40, 40. Mean equals 28. Median equals 30. Mode equals 40. Measures of dispersion. Range equals max, min. Variance and standard deviation show how spread out the data is. Example, heights of students. If all are close, SD is low. If very different, SD is high. 8. Correlation and regression. 3 minutes. Correlation, relationship between two variables, positive, study hours marks. Negative, smoking health. 0, no relation. Regression, predict one variable using another. Example, Predict salary based on years of experience. Linear regression. 9. Inferential statistics for minutes. Sampling, choosing a small group from population. Example, surveying 100 people out of 1 lakh. Hypothesis testing. Null hypothesis H. No effect, no difference. Alternative hypothesis H. There is an effect. Tests, z-test. Large samples. t-test. Small samples. chi-square test. Categorical data. Confidence intervals. A range where the true value is likely to lie. Example, candidate approval rating equals 60% plus or minus 3%. 10. Applications of probability and statistics to minutes. AI and machine learning algorithms use probability. Business and finance risk analysis, forecasting. Medicine drug testing, survival rates. Sports and gaming predictions, strategies. Weather probability of rain, storms. Great job! In just 30 minutes, you learned the entire foundation of probability and statistics. Probability rules, distributions, descriptive and inferential statistics, correlation, regression, and hypothesis testing. Remember, understanding comes with practice. Solve problems, apply concepts to real data, and you'll master this subject quickly. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and get more crash courses in programming, mathematics, and data science. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.